killing me. Y'all need to learn how to make piles. Don't mess up my pile. Another big part of our garden is we have lots of grow bags. We've tried all kinds of things. We did the potatoes in the grow bags. Limited success with it, but it may not have been the bags, might have been us or the potato seeds or whatever. But we have a lot of bags, 70 something of them, and what we use them now for is all the peppers go in bags in the greenhouse, a bunch of the cherry tomatoes and other tomatoes, and then tons of extra stuff, you know, more brassicas, collards, mustard greens. We'll put, you know, all kinds of things in them. Mainly because, you know, we run out of room because, well, Karen's got a problem. But anyway, so we use lots of bags and I guess planters and buckets and, yeah, every available container to grow more food. Just use topsoil, and then I'll use some of our compost. This isn't quite finished, that's why it still has a lot of the straw is not broken down, but it'll still feed them. It's just not the easiest to work with. But do that, and then we'll add maybe some bone meal or that, maybe other kind of fertilizers, but for the most part it's our compost that does the heavy lifting in the garden. It's worked well so far. We've got a lot more red wigglers this year, worms. I attribute it to us doing a pretty good job on our, I don't know, we call it, there's buzzwords, regenerative gardening or whatever. Main thing is, you know, you try to let nature do nature, you know, add organics, you put the right plants in and rotate your crops, and you know, big organizations use cover crops. A lot of times we'll just till our old stuff in, but it's taken a few years. But now everywhere we dig in the garden, the beds and the even the new areas that we've prepped, everywhere you dig, there's tons of worms. Great sign, means there's lots of organics in there. So I guess we're doing something right. Watch out. And I guess you only have to do something right. We certainly try to use only organic stuff. We rarely ever have to amend with something other than our organics, or at least something organic. Oops. Anyway, just gonna fill these bags. Take you over there when I put them over there. But for the most part, that's it. Just fill them with dirt and compost and plant stuff in them. Down to the last couple of bags. Just kind of finding spots to put them. Try to put them on the south facing side. Obvious reasons. Getting a little tight. Show you. I know Karen already did a tour, but You can see all these pots and bags. There's more pots and bags there, over here, over there, over here. And then yesterday, got this ready for the peppers. It is hot. That's those pots. And then more pots, bags here. I think Karen, oh crap, there's more over there. I want to hide those so she doesn't see them. There she is, always diligent, always keeping an eye out, always napping during danger.